Let's now analyze some videos from my German finance channel, which is not active anymore, but still I was active on this channel for a couple of years. So we have a few videos we can take a look at. And after a while, you will also have a lot of videos on your channel. And then you can simply go through and check what you did good and what you didn't. Here, for example, the last video was on November 2021. So this is actually a pretty old video, more than 2 years ago. But still, we can check that because views and analytics are still the same even if the video is older. And what I want to do here is not sort that by date, because that would be the newest, that would be the oldest, but rather sort by views here. So I click on this views here on this tab, and then I see the video with my most views is this here, which is about jobs where you don't need to have education, with 17,000 views. Then 5,000 jobs nobody wants to do. Then a video about 10 bagger, which is 1,000% increase in a stock. And then how to live off dividends. These are my 3 or 4 best videos. Okay. Let's first check the first one. I don't want to go into detail now because we will analyze anyway here also with this analytics tool, but not only a single video, but rather the whole channel. But here you can also check that. You see pretty high impression click rate with 12% compared to an impression click-through rate of 1 or 2% for videos that wasn't that good. Let's search for other videos that weren't good. For example, this here. Not a good performance. Here, 2% impression click-through rate. So pretty bad. So you see impression click-through rate is a very good indicator if the video performed well or not. But that's a topic for another video. Okay, here we have title. Okay, this is obvious. It is about the same topic. It's about jobs. It's always with the same emoji here. So it is pretty clear that this topic is good. And if I now see this, I should make more videos about this topic or in this direction. In this case, about jobs that nobody wants to do, about education in general. So not about finance, not about investing, but rather about this whole economics topic and work world topic. This is also clear for me. We have here this 10 bagger video. And here I can make this a bit bigger so we can see the thumbnails. I have here, here, and here always this portfolio circle with the colors here. And I can see, okay, in the thumbnail, out of, exclude them here, out of 4 videos, 3 of them had that. That is actually a pretty strong sign. So if I make a thumbnail, that circle here is pretty good. Also, what we can see is that I used numbers, 1,000, 1,000. That is also, as it seems to be, a pretty good sign for an investing video. Here, I had this combination of orange and this gray background. Maybe I should stick to that. Why? Because also here I had a rather dark background. Also here, not dark, but darker than the font. So maybe I should stick to white font and a darker background for my thumbnails. This is the only one in here that doesn't fit. This one here, dark background, all of them. And here we have again this portfolio circle. So this seems to be a nice way actually. What else do we have? We have, in this case, it says 0 comments, which is not true. It only says 0 because all the videos are private. And in private, you cannot see comments. So that is why here it says 0, which is not true. But we can see likes and dislikes. And here we can again see that dislikes are not bad, because this video had a really good amount of views, but also a couple of dislikes. Why? Because most of these money and economics and investing videos are dividing people a bit, so people are very against it or for it, but there is no in between. But that's not important. More importantly is that dislikes are still good, and of course that you analyze for yourself, for your channel. It doesn't matter what I show you, it's only important what you see on your channel, but please analyze your thumbnails and your titles and your topics. I would say here job videos are good, I should make more of these. If I make thumbnails, white font and darker background, and maybe use more often this portfolio circle. And that is already good for my thumbnail. For my title, I use emojis, that is pretty obvious. If I do something about investing, I use numbers. And I think here it doesn't matter, it was only about the topic, so this was just a good catch, I would say. But for them here, use more numbers. We also have here in the thumbnail a number, and use more often here this portfolio circle. That would be my analysis. Of course, for you it's different. If you have a question, let me know, but just analyze your own thumbnails if you already uploaded at least 20 videos.